I'm Becca.
And I'm Emily.
And we're here to teach you how to make oobleck. Not a solid, but it's not a liquid. To make it, you need 1.5 cups of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, and food coloring.
As Alexis said, it's not a solid or a liquid. If you make it into a ball and throw it in the air, it loses its shape and becomes flat in the air. It can be molded in a cork container, and when it's taken out of the container, it loses its shape. If you fill it in a balloon with Oobleck, the air forces the Oobleck back out. When you leave Oobleck in the sun, the color evaporates. It's always hard on the top and it's like jelly on the bottom. Oobleck does not bounce.
And as you can see, it's kind of liquidy in the container, and then when you touch it, it feels like it's solid, but when you bring it back up, it's all liquidy. And that's how you make oobleck.
A good thing.
Imagination with science.